Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on XRP or Ripple, your daily update. Covered it yesterday, obviously after the big news. Was the big news actually yesterday? Yeah, no, it kind of wasn't. It actually was Tuesday evening with the SEC. But yeah, so wanted to do an update on that. Yesterday we talked about the different possibilities after that bullish momentum and after that bullish move, and now it looks like we're getting some confirmation. So I just wanted to do an update on what that means for XRP from here on out, what's possible, because in the end, like the price action for XRP is actually quite interesting. Because you would say, like, if you zoom out a lot, then XRP is definitely still bearish, right? But if you zoom in enough, it's actually consolidating, and there are signs of some sort of an uptrend and bullish momentum, which is interesting because that means that XRP could also get a bullish breakout here and rally up higher. So that's what I want to talk about. Before we do that, though, I do want to briefly tell you or remind you that I'm partnered currently with BingX, which is one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges out there. If you sign up now, they have a lot of new user rewards, so you can actually get like a lot of bonus USDT. So check that out. And apart from that, the reason why I partnered with them is that they're actually one of the best exchanges to trade on. All right. So if you're still looking for an exchange that is good to use, reliable, and has a lot of offerings, check out the links down in the description. But for now, onto XRP. So what we said yesterday, to kind of dial back to the analysis yesterday, is that it broke above this level right here between 52.5 cents and 54 cents. But what would happen is one of those two levels would break out, and then that would be the indication of which direction was most likely to be followed afterwards. All right. So what looks to be the case right now, even though the candle hasn't closed yet, is that XRP will break down below this support level right here, which actually, I mean, if you take a look at it, it's actually more around like 52.2 cents. So I'm not sure if it's really that much of a bearish breakout. But altogether, it does look like some more bearish momentum is getting into XRP. All right. And I do think that will continue. Now, and you can also see it with this, like basically since yesterday morning, the open interest and the volume have decreased quite significantly, which is an indication that XRP is losing momentum. Now, does that mean that that's the end? No, definitely not, because XRP right here has a lot of support. All right, with all of these EMAs providing support, but you also have the trend line right here, which is quite strong. And it's in general around like 51.5 cents. There's a strong, or there's at least a support level. So what we will see today is probably going to be a volatile day. We also have some news coming out, which is probably going to make Bitcoin move. So that's all kind of incorporated into this analysis, because what I expect for today is that XRP will test that level, right? That level which we talked about, around 51.5 cents. I think it will test that level, and then that's the most important part. Because the only way in which XRP could still rally, at least on the short term, is if from that support, it actually is able to break above 52.5 and 53 cents again. All right. If it does that, then I think that's actually enough bullish momentum to also assume that XRP will break above 54 cents and rally up higher towards 56 and 56.5 cents. Now, do I think this is the most likely scenario? I'm not sure. It will depend a lot on what Bitcoin does. The correlation is not that high, but in the end, usually the correlation does increase when there's news like this. So it just depends. I mean, in the end, we'll see, all right? Because if XRP drops down to that level and is not able to break above 52.5 cents and 53 cents, then it's most likely that that's a bit of bearish confirmation, and that it will drop down lower to 50 cents at least. And then we'll see from there again. So that's the main point. It will probably test that level around 51.5 cents. And then depending on how much and what type of support it gets there, XRP will either stay bullish, because I would say it's bullish right now, or it will turn a little bit more bearish into some sort of a neutral market structure. All right, so that's my take on XRP on Ripple for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.